Hey friends, I'm removing this faucet, and basically all you want to do is turn off your water down here and then unscrew the hoses. Just remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Super easy to do. And usually these aren't even that tight. Just gonna unscrew that real quick. And you want to make sure you probably have like a towel or something underneath. You can have a little bit of water leaking out, so you want to make sure that you clean that up. All right. Once that is done, underneath on this sink, it just has some screws that are kind of screwed on there onto the pipes on the bottom of these. They just have a couple little screws. So I'm just going to unscrew those by hand. They were just hand tightened on there basically. So just unscrew those and I'll show you what I'm talking about. They're quite long though, so they take a while to unscrew all the way. Okay. Well, actually, I thought I was going to be able to unscrew them, but I also have to unscrew the the pipes first before I can unscrew those. So just a second. Okay, once the water pipes on the bottom have been unscrewed, then you can continue to the water hoses. Once those have been unscrewed, then we can unscrew this and the other part right here. Takes a little while, but we got it. Okay, and these are just these right here. Those screw onto the bottom like that. That's what's holding it on there. Okay, nothing crazy fancy there. And this goes on the bottom there. Okay. Well, that's about it for this one, my friends. Those water pipes, or the water hoses, they just went on here, and I just unscrewed those, and we're good to go. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.